Hello class, this is Ms. Ziegler coming to you today to introduce to you our very first project in ninth grade literature. The title of this project is called I Am Nobody, Who Are You? And this title may sound familiar to you because it is from, I don't think I'm going to tell you where it's from. I think as a bonus at the end of this project, if you can tell me where I'm Nobody, Who Are You comes from, what the significance of it is, then you will earn an extra 100 on an assignment. Okay, so I think that'd be a good bonus just to get things started. But anyway, I'm coming to you to introduce this project to you because I'm so excited about it. What we'll be doing, instead of doing the traditional discussion board posting where we come on and we talk about ourselves, we give some information to let our classmates know who we are going to create an Animoto video to introduce ourselves, okay? I just think that is such a great idea, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So before we get started, I want you to know that I have already emailed you your Animoto login information. We have an education account and all students in my class already have an Animoto login. So I need you to check your email to make sure that you see that information. If you don't, please shoot me a quick email and I will resend it to you. But everyone needs this information to log on to Animoto so we can start creating, okay? All right, so let's get started. Before we get started into it, let me tell you this. The program that I'm using to record this is called Screencast-O-Matic. And Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool to use to make presentations, to make screencasts, and you can do so many creative, great things with it. And so we will be exploring that a little bit later on in the semester. So I can't wait for that as well. But let me move this over because Screencast-O-Matic only records what's in a small part of your window. So let me move this up and I'm going to show you the website that I'm on. When you go to animoto.com, it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so when you get to the dashboard, your screen should look like this. It's going to say dashboard. The only difference is you should not have any videos in the middle unless you have used Animoto before and you log on. You should not have any videos here in the middle as I do. But so that we can get started, let me show you this. When you log on, you will see your dashboard and you will see this blue create button. And the first thing you're going to do is press create. Okay. Now what I love about Animoto, you guys, is that it is so user friendly. It's not difficult to use at all. Okay. And so what you will see, I will show you how to use this in very few steps. Okay. And you will see just how easy it is to use. Okay, let me move my screen over so you can see. So the first thing we're going to do when we press create, as you can see, this is my login. This is my name here because I'm logged on as myself. And so you will see up top, you will see style, create, and produce. That's it. That's the only 3 areas that you need to do a great job using Animoto. Okay, so the first thing we see is style. It says video style. And if you go here to this arrow, it allows us to use it says education, it says personal, photography, and business. Okay, so let's just be random. Let's click on the first one, which is personal. Okay, all right, so here they give us the featured styles, which are chalk blossoms, memory box, and rustic. Scroll down and we can see the popular ones. Here's some categories: popular, kids. Okay, so here's some kids categories: birthday gifts, color frames, kawaii, watercolor seashore. We have school, which back to school, carousel. That seems kind of fitting, back to school, since this is the beginning of the semester. Earth, future, senior year, winding vine. So there are just various categories and styles that you can choose from. I think I'm just gonna let's click on the back to school one and see what that's like. Okay, so when you click on a style, oh, it's going to start playing. Okay, let me stop that. But anyway, when you click on the style, it's going to immediately give you a preview so you can see what it's going to look like. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see what back to school looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's loud. I think that one's pretty good just to experiment with. So let's click on create video and see what happens next. We are loading the video creator, so let's see what happens next. Very user friendly. I love Animoto, and I think you guys will end up loving it as well. Okay, all right, so what we get now, we've already chosen our style, which was back to school. This here logo, add logo, that is a premium section, and we don't have a paid, we have a free educational account, so add logo is not going to give you what you need. But this says change song, so if you click here, up here, if you didn't like that song, you can click here and it will take you to the top songs for this style, so you can just listen to these and see which ones you like. Popular for education, click here and just listen to some. Let's see what Coquetry sounds like. Okay, that's what that one sounds like. Let's see what Roller Coaster sounds like. Okay, so if you want more than this, you can click on see more songs for education, or you can click to browse the full library, and here are all the songs here that Animoto has to offer that you can use. In case you didn't notice, let's go back. You can also upload your own songs. Now, you would have to have these uploaded on your computer already, and please be very, very careful when it comes to music, and make sure that your song that you choose does not have any type of profanity or anything that's inappropriate for school. Okay, if you do, then I won't be able to use your work, so please make sure that you choose something that's appropriate and doesn't have profanity or anything like that in it. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Okay, so now that we're back under create and we've seen how we can change our song, next we can add pics and videos. Okay, so when we add pics and videos, this handy little screen comes up, and if you want to get pictures and videos from your computer, you just click here and you will be taken to your picture or your video folder, so you can choose pictures from your computer. Also, you may use pictures from your Facebook, your Instagram, Dropbox, so it really supports a lot of our social media sites. So that is what's so great about Animoto. Also, if you have exhausted your own pictures of Facebook, Instagram, you can go down here, and Animoto has a wide image library. Okay, so you click there. I think it's, let me go back so you can see what I did. I said image library, click there, and these are different categories. Let's go to animals. Let's just be random, go to animals. Let's see, let's get this dog. So we click on this dog, add one item. Let's see if I click on this panda. Okay, so you have to add them at once. So let's go back to the dog, add this one item, and there it is. The dog is in our presentation. Okay, all right, so you can do that. Let's go over to adding text. Let's call this Animoto example. Okay, save. Okay, so that is text. What I like to do is have my text at the beginning, so I will drag it here. So say for instance I want to change this, and I want, remember, if you look at your rubric, I want you to start off with some self-identifying information. So you can say this is your name, and you can say anything, ninth grade, oops, let's spell ninth correct, ninth grade literature, Ms. Zeigler. Okay, all right, save. All right, so that would be the first slide that we see, and then maybe you can add another slide that has your picture and your date of birth or anything like that, just to make it spruce it up, snazz it up for us. Okay, all right, and then here for spotlight, when you click on spotlight, it makes this screen last a little longer than it would normally. Okay, so, and you guys, that is basically Animoto. After you get done adding your pictures, adding your text, adding video, right here, let me show you one last thing. You can change the caption, or you can add a caption under pictures. So what if we wanted to say beautiful I can't spell today, I apologize. Beautiful dog, okay? And we press save, and then that will be in our video when we see it, okay? And the very last thing for us to do is, well, I like to preview mine first, okay? So let's just do a quick preview to see what we have so far. We only have like 2 slides, so that's really not enough to preview. It's only let me move this over. It's so far it's only 12 seconds. So, you know, and our project needs to be at least a minute. So this is just a short preview. I'm going to show you my own that I created just so you can see what a longer video looks like. But let's just do this preview quickly. Let's see what this will look like, what we've done so far. Okay, all right, and that's it. But you know, even that little bit, it'll just show you how what all that you can do with Animoto. I'm just going to close it. I'm not going to produce it. And let me go back to, let me find my videos. Let me go back. I'm going to click this little, to me it looks like a paper airplane. It probably is a paper airplane, but that is the Animoto logo. Let me go back. This is the video that we were just playing around with. So it says that it was created a minute ago, if you look at that. This is one I was playing around with before I started filming for you guys. And this is mine. Still, it's only 33 seconds. But as you can see, I was working on this 9 days ago. And it says Ms. Zeigler's intro, practicing Animoto. So it says continue editing. So let's click on that, and I'm just going to play for you the first little 30 seconds that I have, and I will be sure to create a full video so you can see exactly what I'm looking for. Now when you look at this, this has a lot of pictures of me and my children, my mother, just so you can see what a video looks like. Let's let me see. Let me click over here on oops, let me bring this over so you can see what I'm doing. I'm coming over here to click on preview video so I can see what my video looks like so far. Okay, and it is loading, so you just have to give it some time to load. Maybe I should press it again. Oh, it says it's generating. Okay, have to be patient. So what I did was I just went through my computer and chose some random pictures. That picture of the dog is from the Animoto clip art library. So you are welcome to add those from Animoto. So these are just random pictures from my Facebook and computer. That is an Animoto picture as well. That's a picture from Pic Collage. And so these are just random pictures that I did, okay? So I think I'm going to stop it now. You guys get a good idea of what this is. I'm going to stop it. So see, it's so easy just to create this video. And I'm at 14 minutes and 20 seconds now into this video, which is far long enough. You guys, please remember that I am only an email or a text message away to help you with this project. If you have any problems, please contact me. And I look so forward to seeing the creativity that you guys will create on this project. Thanks so much. Bye.